as the employees of Eskom. I'm just here to deliver a message of appreciation and also just to pay tribute to a number of individuals. I stand here on behalf of the President and the Cabinet, the extended Cabinet, which is meeting now in Victoria, to discuss how we are going to turn around the South African economy. I was released from that meeting because this is an important announcement, and we felt that our presence will go a long way. First, saying thank you very much to the men and women of Eskom, engineers, technicians, administrators. You mentioned that we have collectively contributed towards turning around the future. I must say that Eskom is essentially South African company, and never dies the spirit of resilience. This turnaround that the chair referred to, two key numbers, and of course, like I said, is the Marutan show. He has already led the cat out of the bag. I want to repeat that number. It's an important number of 16 billion rands of profit after tax. We haven't seen these numbers since about 8 years ago. So coming from an immediate past year of about 55 billion rands of losses. So you can see that we're talking about a 71 billion rand turnaround. And then the point that the chair makes, at the height of load shedding, the early part of 2023, the EAF was holding at about 48%, and today, as the chair has mentioned, it is consistently averaging about 70%. So the team has made an improvement of about 22 plus percentage points improvement.